how to enable or disable multi-window for all apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra or Edge. First, let's return back to the home screen by tap on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we then swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down to the bottom, and then we tap on developer options. From here, you scroll down to the apps section, and then go down more, and then tap on multi-window for all apps. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here, when you turn it on, it allows non-resizable apps to appear in multi-window. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.